Do you need 4 bedrooms plus an office with no stairs? The Matisse floor plan may be perfect for you. Highland Homes Matisse floor plan is the home we are touring today, and I am so excited to walk you through this house. There's not a single stair in this home, and yet so many rooms. At just over 2,100 square feet, they have used every single square inch of this house, and I'm excited to walk you through it. The Matisse floor plan is such a great option for anyone that might be thinking of building in Heritage Ranch in Sherman, Texas. Highland plus other builders have just started building in Heritage Ranch, which is Sherman's newest neighborhood to be developed. When you walk into this open living, dining, kitchen area, there are so many options in here, and I just cannot stop staring at all of them. Those wood beams, the wood floors, the waterfall edge island. All of this is discussed when you meet with your Highland sales representative. You come in and you tell them, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I want my home to feel like. And then you are taken to the design center where you get to pick everything. As you can see here, they have chosen a wood finish cabinet, but if you like white cabinets, you can do white cabinets. If you like pink cabinets, they can do pink cabinets. It is your custom home that you get to build with Highland Homes. All of the options in here can be discussed. These upper cabinets with the glass fronts with the lights. You can see there that there is a gas cooktop. Heritage Ranch does have natural gas in it, so you can have gas appliances. You can do a gas fireplace, gas heat, and also a gas tankless hot water heater. Or if you prefer electric, you can make the home all electric. Your choice. Tile backsplash in this kitchen. I'm excited to show you all of the different tile options that are in this home, and that is not even a quarter of what Highland does have to offer. You choose your countertops, you choose your style of sink, you choose your light fixtures. It's like shopping, basically. You pick your floor plan and then you get to work with your sales representative designing exactly the home that you need. And how exciting will it be for you to have a brand new home with Highland Homes? They also have a great warranty package that every new Highland home has on it. Your sales representative will go over that, but it is a total coverage. Then there is appliance coverage and even a foundation warranty on the home as well. Highland prides themselves on building a great house, and so you get to walk through and see it through every phase that is being built, and they show you insulation, wiring, how they build with the framing so that you know your home inside and out. This open dining living area, I love flexibility. If you only have a small table because you're a small family, your living room can be larger, or vice versa. Or if you don't even want a table there, you don't have to have one. This room will carry without a table in it because it's such a fabulous room. The wood beams are an upgrade. I would add them all day long. It just makes the home feel so personal, like you designed it, you picked it. Not everyone's gonna have it. I love it. Natural light across the back of the house that looks into the privacy fenced backyard. We'll get out there in a minute. Here's a look at one of the fireplaces that you can design. You can change your mantle color. You can change your bricks around. The cabinets and shelves on either side of the fireplace are also an upgrade that you can customize too. You can see there from the little sparkles, you can do the rock fireplace, or you can do gas logs. Turning back and looking from this corner, can't you just imagine yourself hosting dinner here, having holidays here? And there's no wasted space. This uses every single inch of this open area. So like I say, if you have larger living room furniture that needs to stretch into another area, you can do that because you're not hindered with defined spaces. All of Highland Homes' primary suites are on the back of their house. I love this because you look into the backyard, number one, but also you're as far away from the street as possible so that you don't hear any sort of traffic noise, the daily grind noise. This is your oasis away from everything. And when you peek in here, what you can do with this room just really makes it such a fun experience. Raised ceilings, you can pick a different light fixture. You can do a ceiling fan up there. The pop-out window is always commented on when I walk people through the Matisse floor plan. Highland offers different blind packages that you can purchase, from the 2-inch blinds all the way up to that plantation shutter that you just saw in the pop-out. It would go throughout the home on every single window. This is a spacious room. That's a king-size bed with side tables on either side to give you an idea of how large it is. And then carrying that whole customization into the primary bath, you can choose. The list is extensive on what you can choose for the bathroom. Here you can see probably best of the best. So you have tile all the way up to the ceiling. You have this gorgeous freestanding tub, walk-in shower, and then on the other side, the double vanity with the large framed mirror, the wood style cabinets on the bottom with drawers. You pick everything in here, from those faucet colors to the frame around the window, that tile color that's going all the way up to the ceiling. Make it your own. And then this large walk-in closet, plenty of space to hang all of your clothes. So you really don't even need extra furniture in the primary bedroom, because look at all of this space. You could throw a party in this closet. While we're walking you back out to the main area, let me tell you a little bit about Heritage Ranch, Sherman's newest neighborhood. Amenities that will be offered in Heritage Ranch are exciting, and every homeowner will get to take part in them. There is an HOA in the neighborhood. There will be a community pool that everybody can enjoy. It is going to be a large pool, obviously, because there will be hundreds of homes in this neighborhood. There will be pickleball courts. There is going to be a playground for young children, and then plenty of green space if you want to go have a picnic somewhere, if you want to host a birthday party outside. Tons and tons of green space and walking paths all through the neighborhood. They just broke ground on the newest elementary school being built in Sherman here in Heritage Ranch. So if you have children, they could bike to school, which I think is super cool. It is our first school in a neighborhood. Broke ground on it a few weeks ago, and it should be open by August of 2025. Headed back towards the front of the house. So you have that large open living dining area, and then everything else breaks off of this front entryway. There is your full-size laundry. I like the built-in shelves because you always have things that you want to store in your laundry area. You can pick this gorgeous neutral color I really, really like. You pick your color. There's tile flooring in the laundry room. Just around this corner is your second and third bedroom with a shared bath between. These rooms are spacious. I love that Highland has the high ceilings throughout. So you saw the vaulted living room, dining room area with the wood beams. Into the bedrooms, you still have high ceilings. So it makes the room feel even bigger. But you can see here, this is a full-size bed, side tables on either side. There's a dresser in here. So I love that Highland stages their home so you can see what the home has to offer. Plenty of space. You don't need to get rid of any of your things to be able to move in here. And this full bath that's between these bedrooms, shower tub combination, tile surround. There's another super cute tile option on the floor. They chose the white cabinets in here. I love this extra storage tower of cabinets. You can do hardware like they did here. You can do no hardware. Again, that's your choice. This Matisse floor plan also has a larger, wider trim on the bottom. There are different trim size packages that you can choose. So you can kind of see there behind the lamp. This is a wider trim package. I just love, again, it's part of the customization of it. Every bedroom has a window so you get the natural light. Double door closets so you have plenty of storage space for anything that you want to tuck away. And yet these rooms are still big enough for all the furniture that you need. You can add ceiling fans in every single room if you want to. That's part of your design meeting that you have with your sales representative. Again, no wasted space because all of this is off of that main entry way. So we're just going to slowly work our way back towards the front door. This mud area is an option that you can upgrade to. It's super affordable and I think it's totally worth it because you walk in from your garage and you always drop stuff. This is where you can hang things. This door to the right is where you would come in from your garage. Right now it's the sales office. This is your third full-size bath. So remember we said 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. There's a tub shower combination in here. If you didn't want or need this bathroom, this becomes a very large storage closet. So if storage is something you need more than a third bathroom, that's definitely an option when you're choosing the Matisse floor plan. So just know, there's always little tweaks like that that your sales representative will go over with you as you're choosing. Again, this home starts in the high 3s, and then as you add things, obviously the price goes up. Here's your 4th bedroom. Not any different than the other 2 across the hall. But again, showing you how a little different wall color can make a room look completely different. Still with the double door closets, window letting in the natural light. The high ceilings carry through to here. So if you chose that 3rd bathroom there, this would be a great guest suite. Over here by itself, 4th bedroom, full bath. Plus when you come in out of the garage and need to wash your hands, the bathroom would be right there. Almost back to the front of the home. You can choose a statement piece light fixture as you walk in the front door. I love Highland's front door options as well. This one is super cute. It's in their selections, but you can do whatever you want to on the front door. It gets really exciting. And here's the office at the very front of the house. Such a great space right here at the front. I love the double window. You can choose a ceiling fan in here if you want to, or just a light package. It's a great home office if you work from home. It also can be used for other things. If you need a second living area for people to sit, this could work. You've got the double doors on it. If you've got teenagers that play video games, you could put them in this room. If you homeschool, you could do that in this room. Just that 5th room, essentially, to give you the flex options of doing something that you may need outside of your regular living area. I love it. So you have 4 full bedrooms plus that room. We're going to head back through the home and I'm going to show you the backyard. And we've said a lot of things today about upgrades or standard or change or what. Your Highland sales representative will never steer you wrong. If you have questions, you have access to them the entire time you're building your home. So they will never let you get too far through something without making that decision, and they'll let you know when the last time is you can change your mind on something as well. One thing I do love about Heritage Ranch and Highland Homes is that Highland decided when they started building in Heritage, we're going to put a covered porch in every home. Now, this is not always standard. In some of our other neighborhoods in Sherman, you had to add it to have a covered porch. But at Heritage Ranch, this covered porch on the Matisse and all the other floor plans is standard. Now, you can upgrade it with a ceiling fan. You can extend it like this option with the fire pit if you want to. Sod and sprinkler system are included. Privacy fenced backyard. If you like this look where it's on top of the retaining wall, they do have lots available that you can have this exact look in the back if you want that super high fence. Remember, the primary bedroom and the living room look out into the bedroom, so I totally love that aspect. And then swinging back around, you can see, I could totally see myself hanging out here on the evenings. If you're interested in looking or connecting with Highland Homes in Sherman, Texas, I would love to be your connection for that. Let me know.